Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 24th, 2021. Let's talk about Disney today. I'm going to come through today and give you all a price prediction update into the market in Disney. I want to know, are insiders really buying this stock right now? I mean, you guys can see it. Let me zoom out. The market price in Disney has been coming down. I mean, it's obvious. If you can see my price chart. You guys can see what the price in Disney has been doing since the beginning of the year. Yeah, the price has been coming down. So could we actually see insiders trying to buy this stock in Disney because they see it being a lot cheaper? And are they anticipating the price to go up? Well, before I talk about that, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. There's enough confusion already going on YouTube, on mainstream media, on social media about these stocks. One thing I want you all to realize and understand is that you just need to pay attention to the chart. Pay attention to the price, because this is the lifeblood of the markets. This is what everyone else comes together and they drop their ideas as to what they think the value of these stocks are. So if you're able to look at these price bars and volume, you guys can actually tell what is the sentiment, what is the consensus of everyone else who is participating in these stocks. That's all. And I've been showing you all that since 2019 on this channel. I got a cryptocurrency channel as well that I've been doing this since like 2017. Yeah, the history is here. This is all I do. I don't come in and try to fluff you all up, try to give you all a lot of hope and hopium and telling you to buy the dips and nothing like that. I look at what the market is saying and we get in position and dominate. So if you guys want to join me, like I said, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe to this channel because I appreciate it. Right, I definitely appreciate everyone who values the content I am creating, because I'm really trying to wade through this water and try to show other people who are new to the stock market that you don't have to think about technical indicators, patterns, fundamental analysis. Just look at what everyone else is doing. Right. So check this out. November the 13th was the last video that I did in Disney. Look. You guys can actually go back and listen to the video too. Yeah, I'm being fully transparent in my price predictions so that nobody else can come back and say, well, no, that's not true. You said it was going to do that. It actually did this. I'm being fully transparent. When we get it right, I'm going to show it to you. When I get it wrong, I'm going to show you that too, because we can still learn. Yeah, we can still learn from our predictions so that we can become better. So look, I was playing weakness then in November. Price did come down in Disney right there around $144. We was looking for it to come down to 140, so we came pretty close, right? It wasn't like I was looking for the price in Disney to shoot down to 100, right? I didn't play that. No, that's ridiculous. I understand how the dynamics of the market works. We have to create an orderly and efficient market. So I said maybe we might see the price come down to 140, but right here on this particular day, December the 1st, price came down to 142. So about $2 away. All right, give me some margin of error here. All right, I'm not going to be precise. I'm not going to hit it right there on the head. No, but it's close enough to where I could see the reversal in the market direction for Disney. That was around 12% there, right? Maybe around 11. All right, 11% on December the 1st. Hopefully y'all was able to grab that then, because time has changed. And I'm going to show you some things that I'm noticing on the chart that will let us know that Disney may in fact be gearing up for a move higher. Now look at this. Now, where do you think the sellers are at? That's the first question that we need to try to answer, especially if we're looking for the price to go up, because we don't want to hold the bag longer than what we have to. We don't want to be in these positions longer than what we have to. We are here just to get what the market is giving to us. We cannot dictate these prices. So we need to make sure we just come and get what we get. Don't fall in love with these stocks, because so many of these YouTubers want you to love these stocks. They want you to get married to it. They want you to be married to it for the next 15 years. And then they want you to believe in the stock. The market is not that. No, don't input your emotions on these stocks, because they cannot love you back. Everyone else is just simply trying to take and make money. That's it. So looking at this market here in Disney, I mean, where do you think the sellers are at? I got an idea. I already got one location already identified for you, right? Boom, right there, around $159. Let's say that $159 is where we are noticing sellers. That's the first spot. Okay, that's first. The biggest area though that I'm seeing sellers, so that I would expect the price to get rejected and start to come back down, is right here. So we got 159 first. My second area is right around here. 165. So around there, you know, right around there. It might be around 165 to 170. Yeah, I'm seeing that one. Now let me show you why I'm looking for the price in Disney to go up. Okay, let me just show you. Because like I said, I am a staunch advocate for these price charts. You don't need nothing else. You don't. Let me show you what's going on the 3-day time frame into the market in Disney. Look at this. This is telling us that buyers are in the market, all right? This lets me know this right here. These 2 3-day price bars is letting me know that buyers are in the market. And then the second one is this one. The market is telling us what it's trying to do. Yeah, we're trying to go up. So we already established that from 3-day time frame. All right. Now, determine how strong the market is. Let's see what we have on a weekly basis. Look at this. All right, we've got a pretty good spread into the market in Disney. Now let's keep it copacetic. Let me keep it real with everyone. Okay. You guys can see on the weekly price chart that the market in Disney was topping out, you know, around $155. So keep that in mind as I do this price prediction, because we can still see market rejection there, and then my price prediction won't be right. I mean, I can already tell you that. We need to keep our eyes open on whether or not the buyers are able to break above 155. $155 is where it's at. Because if we see that happen, then we know we're going to hit 160 to around 165. All right, this is the 3 weeks time frame. All right, so like, look at this. From a long-term perspective, this is why I don't want you all to be overly bullish. This is why I want to set your expectations to not think that we're going to see the market in Disney hit $200, because the last 2-3 weekly price bars is definitely weakness, right? And currently, yeah, the buyers are controlling the market from a smaller time frame, but from a long perspective, the sellers got it. So as I do this price prediction, this is why I'm putting this into context as to why I'm not looking for the price to go massively higher. Because when I see this from a 3 weekly time frame, yeah, the sellers are still dominating this market in this realm. So let's keep it real. So let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily though. Like I said, I'm looking for this price in Disney to go up. And the first spot is around like 159 to 160. Right, and look at it. I mean, it's not much, maybe about 4%. We can see the price in Disney go up to hit that 160. Right, and I'm going to hold the ultimate area of support around 142, which means that we're going to continue to look for price in Disney to go up as long as it maintains its price above 142. Yes. Now, the first spot for us to see the market get rejected is right there. And let me show it. See, we're not going to get caught off guard when price comes back down, because I'm already expecting this to happen at certain levels on the chart, because the sellers are still here. And the first spot that I can see them at is around 160. My second area is around right up here towards 163, $164. That gives us 6.42%. Okay, that's what it gives us. And like I said, ultimately, we can see it come up here to this horizontal line in the market long term, which is like another 9%. That is going to be longer, right? I don't want you all to think that we're going to hit that next week, beginning of 2022. For us to hit 160, 170, it's going to take a while. So don't really expect that to happen relatively soon. So let's bring it back down to, like I said earlier, 164, 163. That's the first spot. I mean, that's the second location. 160 is the first spot for us to eat. Okay, 160. That's the first price target. Second one is 163, 164. Third is up there towards 165. Okay, and that's it. I want to know. Hit me up. Tell me where do you think the price of Disney is going to go, right? Do this for yourself. Don't be dependent on these YouTubers to give you this information, because you begin to find out that they are wrong more often than they are right, which is why they want you all to hold these stocks for the next 20 years. Who knows where you'll be in 20 years? Let alone would you still be on this planet? But hey, give it a stab. Let me know what your price prediction is in Disney, as we go into 2022 so that you can be in position, you won't be caught off guard and questioning and wondering, why did Disney do this? We are already planning for it. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.